Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at JULABO USA. Today we're going to go over how to update the firmware on your MAGIO circulator to the latest revision.
So your first step is to insert a USB drive formatted FAT32, 2 gigabyte into your computer. Then locate the file that you downloaded from the link provided in the email. You should have unzipped it and you should have an update folder. Copy that entire folder and its contents to your USB drive. It will take several seconds to fully update. Once that's copied over, locate the configuration file which you were sent in the email, copy that into the update folder on your USB drive. Now if you check the update folder, there should be 4 files in there: the configuration file, a hex file, a bin file, and a RAUCB file. As long as all 4 of those files are there, you can close and remove the USB from your computer.
First step is to turn it on. It will show you the current version of firmware in the upper corner and your configuration file in the bottom. So your next step is to take the USB drive which you downloaded all the files into the update folder on and insert it into the USB-A slot on the rear of the unit. It's going to come up and ask you to run the update. You will click yes, and now it's going to run the first update. So it reads the file first, and then it will start programming. It's normal for the screen to go black. You'll notice that the version has changed. Now it's going to come back up and ask you to run update again. You want to click yes. It's going to read the original file and then go on to the next file. Now it's identified the hex file, erases, and reprograms. Now it is installing the new configuration file, and it'll let you know programming successfully configured. Now there's one last step. We need to go into the settings menu, scroll down to service, and you're going to have to enter a password. We will give you a daily password, so this password only works for 1 day. And we're going to want to go to install unit and then Barebox update. Go into the update folder and you're going to see it identifies this bin file. I highlight it, click the check mark, and it will update the Barebox. This is a background program that runs behind the scenes. And you'll get a message saying the boot source, flashed memory. Click OK. You can click exit. One thing to note on this new firmware is in the adjust safety menu, you now have the option of turning the upper level warning on or off. And that's how you update the firmware on your MAGIO circulator. Have a good day.